This video teaches you how to insert images and videos into your Google Doc. Uploading to Google Slides. Go to https://docs.google.com/presentation/u/0/. Select a blank slide. Click Insert. Click Video. Select an upload option. Select Search YouTube by URL or Google Drive to continue. Click Insert. The video will be added to the slide. Click the video in your slide. It will highlight in a blue outline to show that it is selected. Copy it. Inserting to Docs. Open a doc at http://docs.google.com. Make sure your cursor is where you want to insert your video. Click Insert. Click Drawing and New. Paste the copied video. Click Save and Close. You'll see the video in your doc, but it will only be a thumbnail image from the video. Double-click the video to open the drawing editor and play it. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.